Your whole life, you were told the same thing. Have something to fall back on. Play it safe. Keep the exit door open. That advice has quietly destroyed more careers than failure ever has. Denzel Washington stood before thousands of graduates and told them something no one else had the courage to say. Don't fall back, fall forward. Because when you fall forward, at least you can see what you're about to hit. Today, we unpack that philosophy, not as inspiration, as an operating system for the most important decisions of your life. Here is the uncomfortable truth about failure. Your brain is not designed to embrace it. Loss aversion, first documented by Kahneman and Tversky, shows that losses feel twice as painful as equal gains feel good. So, your brain defaults to one strategy: avoid the risk, build the safety net, fall back. But here is what behavioral economics also proves. The safety net doesn't protect you. It gives you permission to stop trying. Washington calls it the ghost of unrealized potential. Imagine lying on your deathbed, surrounded not by family, but by ghosts. Every idea you never executed, every talent you never used, every risk you were too afraid to take. Those ghosts speak one sentence: we came to you, you never gave us life. Now we go to the grave together. That is not failure. That is the real catastrophe, and it is entirely preventable. Neuroscientist Andrew Huberman explains it this way: the prefrontal cortex, the seat of long-term thinking, only activates fully when we commit to a direction. The moment you decide to fall forward, your brain starts solving, not retreating. Reggie Jackson, Baseball Hall of Famer, 5 World Series rings. Also, the all-time strikeout record, 2,600 times. No one remembers the strikeouts. They remember the home runs. Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before producing a working light bulb. When asked about it, he said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Washington makes this point with precision. If you don't fail, you're not even trying. Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is the process by which success is manufactured. But there is a condition. Dreams without goals are just dreams, and they ultimately fuel disappointment. Consistency without a plan is chaos. A goal is a dream with a deadline and a daily action attached. Stanford research confirms it. People with written, specific goals are 42% more likely to achieve them. Not talent, not luck, not timing. A written goal and the willingness to fall forward. Take out a notebook. Be completely honest. Write down every idea, dream, or project you have been too afraid to attempt. No editing, no judgment, just the list. What have I not given life to? This is Washington's ghost inventory. Naming them takes their power. Unnamed fears govern behavior. Named ones become plans. Pick one item from your ghost list. Write 3 things beside it. What is the first step I can take this week? What does failure look like, and can I survive it? What does success look like in 90 days? A dream with those 3 answers is no longer a dream. It is a mission. Washington is clear. Consistency is everything. So this week, do one thing daily that risks rejection. Send the pitch. Make the call. Post the work. Ask the question. Each small fall forward desensitizes the amygdala's fear response. After 7 days, falling forward starts to feel like your natural direction. Read these with me, out loud if you can. The brain encodes what the voice declares. Close your eyes. Take one breath. Then, I do not fall back. I fall forward, and I learn from everything I hit. Failure is not my enemy. It is the raw material of my success. My dreams are not fantasies. They are goals waiting for a deadline. I am consistent. I show up daily. Consistency is the only miracle I need. I refuse to die with my music still in me. I give my gifts to the world starting today. The risk I take today is the story I tell 10 years from now. Denzel Washington's message was never about comfort. It was about direction. Everyone falls. That is not the question. The only question is, which way do you fall? Fall back, and you land in the safety of a life you never fully lived. Fall forward, and you land inside the life you were always meant to build. The ghosts are waiting. Don't let them win. TAGOJA Success Code.